Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. So Bitcoin got rejected in a very important level. We are going to see what is going to happen next. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. If you have one chance to enter the crypto market and to make money, here is how you can do it. Click on the link in the description box or in the comment section down below, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and you're going to get very, very nice profits. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right here, I'm going to the 4-hour frame a little bit. I'm going to explain why. Okay, first of all, we got rejected in a very, very important level. I'm going to the weekly frame as well, and I'm going to redraw the fib that we talked about. I'm going to delete all of these price labels, and we are going to draw a fib this time from this top to this bottom. You can see that the 0.236, this line right here, is serving as a very huge resistance level. We got rejected in the lower time frames and we got further down right here. I am expecting more correction out of Bitcoin in the next few hours, and here is why. Always pay attention to every single time frame that you can if you want to find major buying and selling opportunities. Right here you can see that we are having this, and of course, we are having that as well. What do you observe right now? Higher lows and lower highs. Okay, this leads to a possible bearish pennant, and it has few chances into being a neutral triangle. This means that we can either break to the upside or to the downside. But for me, this is most likely a bearish pennant. Now, the bearish pennant formations in the 1-hour frame are not something so strong, right? We can have, for example, a nice correction towards here, and then we find, for example, support level at 16.8k, right? And then we go higher. At the same time, though, we have to admit that finding rejection right here was not the best thing that Bitcoin had to do. And eventually, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw another Fibonacci. This time I'm going to draw it all around from this bottom to this top right here. Okay, so we are going to see that the first major support level that we have to hold in the daily frame is this one level, the 16.9k. If we close below this price target, then we are going all the way down to the 16.6k. Now, is this the most probable scenario that we are going to go down there? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go further down into the 16.6k. However, I've always said this, if we can close in the weekly scale above the 0.4k, then Bitcoin is going to get into an impulsive wave mode. All right, always have this target in your mind. Never leave it outside your mind. Okay, always have it in your mind so you can assume what it is going to happen when the Bitcoin will go over the 17.4k. Anyway, 16.9, 16.6k, we can go all the way down here. Is it possible to go down to the 16.4k as well? Yes, it is. Of course, if we get rejected in the weekly scale below the 17.4k, it is quite possible. Okay, so I'm assuming right now you have an idea of what is going to happen next. I believe that what it is going to happen is that we are going to go further down. We are going in the lower time frames as well to go down, maybe in the higher time frames if we can find, if we cannot actually close above the 17.4k. Right, so that means expect more correction towards the lower time frames. This is going to bring the Ethereum, some other altcoins as well, further down. You can see that this is the 200 moving average in the 1-hour frame. It is going to be a good support level. Right now it sits at around 16.8k. So if we go like here, we can find a little bit of support pressure, then get rejected from the 16.9 again and go down to the 16.6. This is probably the pathway that Bitcoin is going to have. Anyway, we are going to have to wait and see. I really hope that we can at least have the 16.9k serving as a support level, or if Bitcoin wants to go down here, then we are going to find a good buying pressure and go even higher. Personally, I'm pretty bored about this whole bearish movement of BTC. We didn't have a good, for example, pump or in overall, okay, just here, but it wasn't something hugely important. We need a serious pump like we had back here, for example, into the previous bear cycle. But anyway, let's wait a little bit and see. 17.4k is all you need right now, and the fact that we are going to correct in the short term. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Write in the comment section down below which altcoin do you want me to cover, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.